Question 1. 18 more than the number n is 125. What is the value of n? Welcome to Home of Math. Today we are start a new chapter named Solving Linear Equations. We already talked about question. Now look, 18 more than the number n. So it means n also a number, and more than 18 it means n plus 18 is 125. It means it's equals to 125. We have to find out the value n. So we can write n equals to 125 minus 18. So n equals to 107. First question done. Second, question 2. 20 is 7 less than twice the number w. What is the value of w? So look, 20 is, it means 20 equal to 7 less than, it means here twice the number w, twice w, it means 2w, and 7 less means minus 7, 2w minus 7 equals to 20, where here is mean 20 is. So we have to find the value w. We can write like this: 20 plus 7 equals to 2w. So w equals to 20 plus 7, it means 27, divide 2. So our answer is 13.5. Okay, clear? Number 1 and 2 done. Number 3. 9 less than twice x is, look, here is 3 more than x. What is the value x? So first, here is equal, here is one part, here is part 1 and this one is part 2. First one, 9 less than twice x. So twice x less than 9, it means twice x minus 9 equal 3 more than x, it means x plus 3. Okay, now here is 2x, and this x, once we exchange to right side to left side, so it will become minus x, and 3 minus 9 become plus 9. Okay, then x equal to what? 3 plus 9, it means 12. Clear? Number 4. 8 less than 4 times the number c is 20. So again here is equal, is 20, it means here is 20. This 20 equal what? 8 less than 4 times the number c. So 4 times the number c, 4c minus 8. Alright, then 4c equals to 20 minus 8 will become plus 8. So c equals to, here is 4, 20 plus 8 means 28, divide 4. So c equals to 7. Okay, number 4 done. Number 5. The sum of 4 consecutive odd integer is 296. What? Look, here is sum of 4 consecutive number like 1, 2, 3, 4. So the sum of 4 consecutive odd integers. So we don't know which number. This one also can we can say consecutive number like 39, 40, 41. It's a consecutive number. So let the smallest odd consecutive number is n. Then, so if this is n, suppose if this is 1, next consecutive number is plus 2, it means 3. Next consecutive number is 3 plus 2, it means 5. Next consecutive number is 5 plus 2, it means 7. So once we add 2 with any odd number, it will become another odd number. So 2n plus 2, right? Then plus n plus 4 plus n plus 6. So it will become consecutive number. How? And it's equals to 296. Now look, here is how many n? Here is 4n. So 4n, then plus 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 2, 12 equals to 296. Then 4n equals to 296 minus 12. This plus 12 become minus 12 in right side. So 6 minus 2, it means 4. 9 minus 1, it's 8 and 2. So n equals to, once we divide both sides by 4, so here is 7, 1. Okay. So the smallest consecutive number, the smallest of the 4 consecutive odd number is 71. So our question was, what is the greatest of the 4 consecutive odd number? Look, if smallest n equals to 71 and greatest n plus 6, it means 71 plus 6, it means 77. Okay, clear? So we already complete 1 to 5 math. Now number 6. This video we are going to solve at least 8 math. Number 6. The sum of 3/4. 3/4. What does mean? It means 3 divide 4 of the number a. Okay, and 24 is -9. The sum of, look, it means 3 divide 4a, and we will sum 24 and the result is -9. What is the value of a? So this one we can write what? 3 divide 4a equals to -9 plus 24. No, minus 24. Here is plus 24. It should minus 24. So 3a equals to minus what? 33. So 3 by 4a equals to minus 33. Now a equals to minus 33 divide 3 times 4. So here is minus 11 times 4. The answer is minus 44. So number A is our right answer. Number 7. a number g is decreased by 23 and then multiplied by 1 by 2, the result is 8 more than twice the number g. Look, a number g is decreased by 23, so g and decrease by 23, okay, then multiplied by 1 by 2, so we will multiply by 1 by 2 equals to, it means the result is 8 more than twice the number g. So twice the number g, more means plus 8, so we will find out g. Now we will multiply both sides by 2, so once we multiply it will become g minus 23 equals to, this one is 4g plus 16, so g minus 4g equals to 16 plus 23, so 4g minus 4g plus g, it means minus 3g equals to 39, so g equals to divide both sides by minus 3, so minus 13, okay, so minus 13 is our right answer, which is number A.